Hello everyone, welcome back to Unite Coaching. In this video, we are going to see MCQs for ATP exam for the topic that is Maharashtra Regional and Town Planning Act, MRTP Act 1966. So let's start the video. So the first MCQ, that is, which section of the MRTP Act 1966 deals with the constitution of regional planning boards? And the options are Section 12 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 9 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 4 and the last option is Section 1. अगर आपको आंसर आता है तो you can comment it or wait for the answer. If you have not seen the previous videos related to MRTP Act, you can watch them first so that आपको ये सब questions के answer मालूम हो and you can gain confidence towards this topic. So the answer is Section 4 of MRTP Act 1966. So this is the section which deals with constitution of regional planning boards. So the next question is, which section of the MRTP Act 1966 deals with the meetings of regional planning boards? ऐसा कौन सा section है जिसमें meetings of regional planning boards के बारे में बताया गया है? So the options are Option 1, Section 12, Option B, Section 14 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 20 of MRTP Act 1966, and the last option is Section 9. So the answer is Section 9. In Section 9, you have been told about the meetings of regional planning boards, about how to conduct that meetings, क्या-क्या उसमें points रहते हैं, वो सब Section 9 में आपको बताया गया है. So the next question is, which section of MRTP Act 1966 deals with the survey of region and preparation of regional plan? ऐसा कौन सा section है जिसमें survey के बारे में बताया गया है और preparation of regional plan किसने करना चाहिए, कैसा करना चाहिए, ये सब बातें कौन से section में included है? So the options are Section 13 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 14th, Section 16 and the last option is Section 18 of MRTP Act 1966. If you have seen the previous video, that is theory lectures of MRTP Act, आपको ये सब जो हम questions ले रहे हैं वो आपको answer आएंगे. So the answer is Section 13 of MRTP Act 1966. So the next question is, Section 25 of MRTP Act 1966 deals with. First option is interim development of plan, provision of survey and preparation of existing land use map, procedure in the trial of offences, and implementation of plans. If you know the answer, you can comment it या फिर आप wait कर सकते हो answer के लिए. So the answer is option B, that is provision of survey and preparation of existing land use maps. So the next question is, fifth question, declaration of intention to prepare development plan is provided in section dash of the MRTP Act 1966. Options are Section 21 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 22 of MRTP Act 1966, Section 23 and the last option is Section 24. So the answer is Section 23 of MRTP Act 1966. You can note down this point so that it is easy for you to remember. During the exam आप सिर्फ revise कर सकते हो ये सब points. Question 6, that is Section 10 of MRTP Act 1966 deals with consultation or association with experts regional planning committee, publication of regional plan and date of its operation, sanction of draft development plan, and the last is implementation of plans. So the answer is option A, consultation or association with experts regional planning committee. The next question is, which section of the MRTP Act 1966 deals with the terms of office and conditions of service of members? मतलब जो भी terms and conditions है towards office and towards the members वो कौन से section में है? So the answer is options are section 7, section 4, section 9 and section 5. Answer आपको comment करना है या फिर wait करना है? So the answer is section 5 of MRTP Act 1966. Eighth question, as per section 3.3 of the MRTP Act 1966, a plan showing the boundaries of region should be available at office of the collector, Mamlatdar or Tehsildar, at regional board office or all of the above. मतलब जो भी प्लान है बाउंड्रीज ऑफ रीजन वो कहाँ पे अवेलेबल होना चाहिए? ऑफिस के पास या फिर तहसीलदार के पास या फिर रीजनल बोर्ड के पास या फिर सबके पास? सो द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. The next question, in regional planning board, members from local authorities shall not exceed 4, 2, 5 and 10. मतलब कितने मेंबर्स से ज्यादा मेंबर्स नहीं होने चाहिए लोकल अथॉरिटीज से? सो द आंसर इज 4. And the last question, 10th question is, people with special knowledge and practical experience in regional planning board shall not exceed. Options are 8, 5, 10 and 2. मतलब पीपल विद स्पेशल नॉलेज एंड प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस जो है तो वो कितने पर्सन्स चाहिए मैक्सिमम? सो द आंसर इज 10. सो अभी आपने 10 क्वेश्चन स्टडी किए, आप ये सब क्वेश्चंस लिख सकते हो सो दैट यू कैन रिवाइज इट लेटर. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, do like this video, subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.